Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. So how are you all?
Good
All
evening,
good?
ma'am. I'm fine.
Okay. Okay. So today we are having a solve with us session. Okay. So have you gone to the lectures of week 2 again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's solve some questions now. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay then. So shall we start with the questions then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to solve it and tell me the answers. Fine. Okay. So table represents the distribution of 250 football players trained by different football academies in Mumbai. So we have this academy, we have the number of players. Now, what is the combined relative frequency of the academy X, Y, and W? Okay. So these are my actually what? The frequencies, correct? And these are my some categories. Okay. Now, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the combined relative frequency of X, Y, and W, right? And we don't know these values. Now, solve it and tell me the answer. You guys got the question? Have you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is 100.
What about others?
Hundred, ma'am.
What is 100?
Combined frequency, ma'am, XYW.
What is the question asking?
Ma'am, the answer is 0.4.
Yes, ma'am. Frequency 0.4, relative frequency, ma'am.
Those who said 100, did they get 0.4? Are you guys solving it? The rest of them?
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 0.4.
The answer is 0.4. So everyone got 0.4? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So how did we get? So basically what we need to find out, we need to find, anybody solving this question right now? Should I solve it now? Nobody solving, right? Okay. So basically, we need to find out the combined relative frequency of the academy X, Y, and W, right? So in this, if you see here, we don't have the values of X, we don't have the values of Y, we don't have the value of W. Okay. Now, what we can do is we know we have been given that there are in total 250 football players, right? So basically, X plus Y plus 60 plus W plus 90 is equal to 250. Now, from this, we can have the values of X plus Y plus W, which is equals to 250 minus
150.
150, which is basically 60 plus 90, right? So we will get 100. So we have the sum of frequencies, which is of X plus Y plus W as 100. Now, can we calculate the relative frequency? What will be the relative frequency? Relative frequency will be the frequency divided by the
Total
total
frequency.
frequency. This will be equal to 0.4. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Just,
ma'am.
yeah, always read the question carefully. Okay. Now, the second question. Shall we move to this question now? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, table shows the types of surgeries performed at Sunshine Hospital in 2023. So here also we have the categories, we have the frequencies, and we have the relative frequencies. How many total surgeries were performed at Sunshine Hospital in 2023? Calculate and tell me the answer.
1000, ma'am.
1000.
1000.
Everyone got 1000?
1000.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
other answers? Okay. So how did we get 1000? So basically, we need the total surgeries. And we know by the formula of relative frequency, it is equal to what? Frequency divided by total frequency, correct? Now we need to find out this value. Okay. If we need to find out this value, so total frequency will be what? Frequency divided by relative frequency, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Now from this table, we need to know, like we need to take a value in which we have the values of frequency and we have the values of relative frequency. So we can either take gastroenterology or others, right? Because we have the frequencies and we have the relative frequency. And in all of the rest of the cases, either we have a relative frequency or we have the frequency, correct? So we can't take these three. So we can take only these two rows. So I'm taking the gastroenterology. So this will be what? So in frequency, it will be what? 240 divided by 0.24. So this will be coming out to be 1000. So here, this is what my total frequency, or you can say the total surgeries. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay. Now you need to find out the value of Q.
Total relative frequency 1 हो जाए. That's
First of all, ma'am, we will find the P and then add up equal to 1. Then Q is equal to 1 minus that add up frequency relative.
Okay. I need the answer.
Is Q 0.28?
0.28. And then, what about others? What are the values?
Ma'am, 0.6 or
Ma'am,
60. Y is 60 and
Ma'am,
Q is 0.6.
0.06.
Yeah, 0.06.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
0.06.
Ma'am, 0.06. Yes, ma'am. 0.06. Means y value is equal to 60.
Yes, ma'am, 0.06.
Everyone is getting 0.06 then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I solve or you're all solving? Rest of them are
I mean,
solving. Anyone solving?
it's clear.
Sorry,
I mean, it's clear already.
it's clear
Yes.
for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, I'll just give you a hint. So basically, if you need, there are like two ways. Okay. So first way is like if you calculate the value of P and you know the sum of relative frequency is 1, you can calculate the values of Q by subtracting the sum of all these from 1. Okay, then you can get the values of Q. Or either you can have to calculate the values of X and Y, then you can calculate through the formula of relative frequency the value of Q. Okay, there are two ways to solve this question. Fine. Okay. Now, the third question, the responses given by Suman on several tosses of a coin is given below. So these are my the responses. Where T stands for tail and it stands for head. What can be said about the median of the response? What is the median here?
Head.
Median is head. What about others?
Head, ma'am. Median.
Head, ma'am. It's head.
It's head. Everybody agrees with this?
Can we say that it's head if
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not
It's head.
ordinal?
Couldn't get you.
If it is not ordinal, can we say that the median is head or not? I was
It,
having
it
problem with
has to
this.
be ordinal. Without we can't find a medium of a nominal value. We can arrange from head to tail or tail to head. H will always in middle because it has ratio of 8/7.
So the order is like tail first and head next.
Order doesn't matter because it has more frequency than tail.
If order doesn't matter, then is it ordinal or not? I was saying that.
Currently it is nominal, but we have to arrange that in order.
Just think about it. Vaibhav is saying correct. The main
Ma'am,
thing is, listen, the main thing is we have to calculate the median. And in median, we need the ordinal data. The data that I have provided you, is it an ordinal data?
no, currently not.
So how can you say my median is head?
We can arrange that.
How can you arrange if you don't have any order, like you don't know which is greater than which? So how can you order?
First we can put all of the head, then after we can put tails. Or
But
even
how are you putting?
reverse.
What is your
But
condition?
ma'am,
Is
it
it
depends, na.
no? Is it
When we
stated in the
toss,
question
either
that
it comes head or tail.
the
It
main
depends on
thing?
the question.
Just a second. The main thing is, what do you mean by order? Order means which comes, like which is greater than which, right? That is the order, right? That's how you are arranging the data, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So how can you say my head is lower than tail, or head comes first and tail comes second? How can you say that?
uh, if we order this, then we will also get head median.
But I didn't say that they are ordered. So how can you calculate the median?
No, we can say that head is greater than tail or something like that, right?
Correct. So in this case, we don't have any median. Understood? Because they are not an ordinal data. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Until and unless it is stated in the question that my head is greater than tail or my tail is greater than head, like the order is specified in the question, then only you can calculate the median. Otherwise, you can't calculate the median. Fine? If let's suppose I am saying that you have been given the data as A, B, and C. Okay, so you have these data as A, B. Okay, let's suppose this A. Okay, now you need to calculate the median. Can you calculate the median of this?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
now we can do because we know A come first, then B, then C.
You don't know what is A. You don't know what is B and what is C. These are my some random variable. How can you say my A comes first, B comes second, and C comes third? These are some random things, random variable.
Answer will be head.
Okay. So until and unless I specify that A is less than B, B is less than C, then only then you will order it, then you will find the median. Got the point? Similarly, in this
Yes,
case
ma'am.
as well. Okay, you have been given there are two values, T and H. These are my responses. Now you need to calculate the median. I have not specified if my T is greater than H or T is less than H. Then I can't order it. If I can't order it, then I can't calculate the median. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
those who said head as the median, is the question clear? Is the
Yes,
doubts
ma'am.
clear? Okay. Can we move forward to the next question then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the fourth question is, if Rohan wants to show the result of class president election in school, then for this purpose, which graph will be most appropriate?
Bar graph.
Pie chart.
Bar chart. Why?
Ma'am, we'll clearly know the votes received by each candidate.
So that through bar chart, it will be easy for us to observe the things or get the result, correct? To compare.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. And when do we use the bar chart?
When we just want to
When
know the share of the votes.
Correct. Share or percentage or something, then we use the pie chart. Okay. Now, the next question. The sales of different colors of 80 pens in a shop is given in the following bar chart. Calculate the number of green pens sold in the shop. How many green pens are sold?
20.
20.
20.
20. Yes.
No, ma'am, 20.
20. So basically what we have here is like 25% of the pens have been sold. So 25% of what? The 80 pens. So 25% of 80, if you calculate this, you will be getting value as 20. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, English teacher has declared the result of class 12 students. Grades of the students are listed in below, where grades are in order. So if you see here, the grades I have been specified that my grades are in order. That is, A is greater than B, B is greater than C is greater than D, and D is greater than E. Based on this information, choose the correct options. Now tell me the answer.
Ma'am, option A and option C are
Yes, ma'am.
correct.
Yes, ma'am. Option A and option.
Mode and median are same.
Okay. So can you tell me how you calculate this mod of C?
The highest
Number of
frequency of the
frequency.
that occur the most.
Okay. So in this question, if you see here, for the C grade, you have the maximum number of students, that is 35. That's why this is the mod. Okay. Now, how did you calculate the median?
Total number.
First, we have to arrange it in ascending order.
So we can say C is coming mid and most frequent. So we can decide that this will be median.
Sorry.
Middle most value will be C when we arrange it.
No, I am asking what
Ma'am,
is
there are
how
a
did you
total of
calculate?
there are a total of 91 elements in the data, and you divide that by 2, you get 46. Like you n plus 1 by 2, you get 46, and that will be the variable C, the
Correct.
46th element of the data.
Correct. You understood? So here, what is it? It is saying that for 50 students, we got A. That means like A like this, we have 15 times. Similarly, we have B like this for 20 times. C, we have 35 times. And D, we have 15 times. And E, we have 6 times. Okay. Now we have to arrange this. So E is less than D. So basically, E will come first,
Yes, ma'am.
6. Then D, 15 times. Then C, 35
35.
times, and so on like that. So in total, how many datas like grades we have? In total, we have 91. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if this is an odd case, so for odd case, it will be what? N plus 1 by 2,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So which will be equal to 92 by 2, which is 46, right? So if you see here, there are 6 elements here. Then from 6 to 15, like that. So if you count here, so 46 will be around here, correct? In the C. Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes.
Yeah. So that's why my median is C. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Have you guys understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is like these type of questions will be asked like normally, like these type of questions will be asked. Okay. In the assignments or in the grade
Ma'am, will you
exam or
please
something.
explain it again?
Which one? The last one?
Yeah, ma'am, median part.
The median part. Till where you understood?
Ma'am, I got the answer 35 by the n approach, that is n plus 1 by 2, odd and even approach.
So
So
n plus
I have
1 is
not arranged
9.
in it the order of ascending. I just calculate the n and plus 1 divided by 2.
Sorry, once again, what?
Ma'am, I got the median by the count of the frequency, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 is the odd. Then I will add the 1 and divided by 2, that is equal to 3. I use this approach. I have not as a arranged in the ascending order than this, so I don't get this point.
No, how can you do 1, 2, 3, 4? Like, how you did that? What is 1, 2, 3?
Logic is same.
See, the main thing is, here if you see my A is appearing 15 times, my B is appearing 20 times, C is 35 times, D is 15 times, and E is 6 times. Okay. So we have to arrange them in this order. Correct? If you see, if I have a data like if I have data like this, okay, so here A is appearing how many times? 3 times. B is appearing 2 times and C is appearing 2 times, right? So in the same way, they have just given us how many times A is appearing, B is appearing, and so on, right? So we have to arrange them in this order. And now it is stated that A is greater than B, B is greater than C, C. So basically, when we are calculating the median, we first order it. So we have just ordered it, then we have calculated the median. Okay, so 46th value is my median. So if you solve, like if you sum all of these values, 6 plus 15, how many numbers are there? 21. Okay, then the 22 to till this number, it will be my C, correct? So in total, I have 56 letters here, combining 6 and, sorry, E, D, and C. So that means my 46 will be somewhat here, correct? So that's
No,
my
no.
median will be C. Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
This order will be ascending or descending? How you are deciding this?
It will be ascending, na? From small to large.
Always we have to
Any
go with
order
the
can do
ascending.
this. Any order will do the same thing.
We can do it in, yeah, we can do it any order, but mostly we do it in ascending order only. If it's there are numbers or something, in particular, if we are dealing with the numbers or the scores or anything kind of like that, then we mostly do it in the ascending order. It depends upon the situation. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So these type of questions. So I guess it's really simple, right? So like only these type of questions will be asked. Is it fine? Is the question clear? All the questions are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. And there was one question is practice assignment. It was a practical assignment on this. Just a second. Practice assignment 2.2. Have you guys done the practice assignment?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Practice assignment 2.2. Have you guys done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question for practice assignment 2.2. Have you done question 4, 5, 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You guys were able to do that?
Ma'am, I actually had doubt in that one.
4, 5, 6, right? So it's the
Yes,
same way
not,
that we have to do, like, sorry.
ma'am, the sixth one, like why doesn't the median change? That particular thing I have doubt.
Just the question. Mhm. So question 4 and 5 is clear to everyone. For practice assignment 2.2. Yes, or no? Have you guys solved it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what about others? Okay, let me just I'm talking about this question. Have you guys solved this question? Sorry. Okay, so let me just tell you this question. Okay, so this question is basically it's confusing. Okay, so I'm going like tell you
Last
the
option is correct.
sorry.
Size S. Last option is correct. Size S, if it's the median of the size of the jersey. And
Only last op
last one is definitely correct. That like size say S jersey, if it's the median of the size of jersey,
Okay.
or the second one, this is the most of the size of the jersey.
Ma'am,
Often, yes.
ma'am, I don't understand why last option is correct because M and S would be size of A if they are mode. Then how last option would correct? I don't understand.
Because if S is median, then it means half of the people have at least S. Well, it's ordinal. S come first, and M, then L, then XL. If S come at the median, it means at least half people have S jersey.
Okay, so basically A is what A is choosing that what most of the players are choosing, right? So if like we can have size S, we can have size M, right? We have two options here. So first of all, size M jersey he can order if it is the mode of the jerseys. We can have, right? Then we can have a condition in which medium is like sorry, size medium is like the mode having the highest frequency, correct? We can have a situation like that.
Yes,
Can we?
ma'am.
Okay. Now, size S can also be a mode, right?
Yes,
These
ma'am.
two
Yes, ma'am.
options are up. Correct. Now, the second third is size M jersey if it is the
Ma'am,
median.
this is unimodal.
Yeah, this is unimodal. Correct.
So we have only one mode.
Yeah, no, this is like we can have a situation. We can have size, he can choose size M if it is the mode, or he can choose size S if that is the mode, right? We can have different situations. These are some situations, okay? Options.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If S size is median, then it will be mode by default. Okay.
Yeah, there is a possibility of size may be the median or size may be the mode sizes.
No, if S is median, then it means it is coming somewhere in middle right of the series. Then it means this S is either at the ascending order or descending order. It is first or last. Then it is coming from first to middle. यानी कि 22 or 23 number will be S from first.
Yeah. So if we see here, they are saying that my size S jersey, if it is the median of the size. Okay, so in total we have how many players? We have 45 players, right? In 45 players, we have different kinds of sizes, correct? So if
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have different kinds of sizes, that means they are in numbers, right? Small, medium, large, and XL. Now, if we just order it, it's like what? Small, then medium, then large, and XL, correct? Now, what is the median for 45? It is around 23, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the 23rd place will be my median, correct?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so here we can have an option in which size S jersey. So, okay, 23rd means like the 22 of them should be my small size. and the 23rd. Like in the sense, in total, I can have the size of S as like 23 23 jerseys can be of size small, or 20 23 or greater than 23, correct? Yes or no?
Oh, yeah, yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I can have size S, then I can have size S as median. Now, how can like how third option is wrong? Size M jersey, if it is the median of the size. So if you look at it, A is choosing that what most of the players have the similar physics, correct?
Hmm.
So if you see here, first comes S, then comes median,
And
then comes large, like that, correct?
yes, ma'am.
So in that way, my S will come first, then M will come. So in that way, my median, the size of M will be less than S, correct?
Hmm.
Yeah,
How
we
can
can't
we
say.
how can we say that they are less, madam?
Okay,
Depending upon the number of players,
we can have
maybe
a
the medium
situation.
size more.
Okay, let's suppose. Okay, so we have size small, medium, large, and XL. Okay, now the first case is I can have S as a mod, M as a mod. Now we can have S, like 23rd is my median, right? So I can have SSS till 23rd as the median, then I can have medium, then I can have large, then I can have XL, correct?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if I'm saying that my median, M, that is medium is my median, okay? It's not necessary. Okay, the main thing is A is only taking that which is mostly taken by the other people, right? The maximum of the players, correct? We have to remember that. So I can have a situation in which I can have S till 22, then I can have one median, then I can have medium, then I can have large, then I can have XL. I can have a situation like this, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Even S also up to 22, how can you go straight away up to 22? Maybe at S15 we can end the S. From there
See,
we can
just
have
remember.
some
Okay,
medium.
let me just say it. I am saying I can have a situation like this. Can I have?
Yes,
Yes,
there is a
Okay.
possibility.
In
Yes,
that case, my medium, this is my 23rd, right?
exactly.
Exactly. Then I am having only M as the median, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? But A is choosing which most of the players are choosing, right? But if I see here, my M is only coming 2 times, right? So he can't choose the M,
Yeah, he has to choose from S only.
S only, right? So that is the situation here.
In that situation, S.
So this is not, in that situation, my S. So this is not necessary that if my M is a median, we can say that M will be chosen by A. Got the point?
Yeah.
Right? But if I
Yes.
say that if my S is a median, I can always say that he will choose S because S is a starting. So from starting to end, I can say that all my values from 1 to 22, all my values are S. I can say that with surety, correct? But if my M is a median, cannot say how many times my S is occurring and how many times my M is occurring. Can you share with that surety?
No.
No, right? So that's why this option is wrong and the fourth option is correct. Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question
Ma'am,
4 is clear?
yeah, ma'am, I have a doubt in it.
Hmm.
Ma'am, like in place of M, if we have XL or suppose let's say XL as median, so we can say that it could be means it will be true.
It will be,
Like if the medium will be XL.
if median is XL, so that means like S is coming, that is 23rd. Yeah, so we can say that XL is mostly preferred by the players, we can say. Because why? I'm having S, then I'm having medium, then I'm having large, right? Then I can have XL. So till 22, I am having what? Small, medium, and large. And rest of them, all my XL values are coming out to be like 23, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are my mostly preferred sizes for the players. So he will choose XL only in that case. if there is a case like this. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am means here only the outliers matter in median, we can say.
Sorry.
Ma'am, here we can say that only outlier values like the S and XL will be median. Then it is true.
True. Correct. Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you, ma'am.
so this question is clear. Question 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now you tell me. The fifth question. The 43 chosen jersey sizes are arranged in increasing order of sizes. That means small, then medium, then large, like that. If player B knows that his jersey size is approximately equal to the jersey size of the player with the 22nd ranked jersey size, which jersey size should player B order? Okay. So it is saying that the player B jersey size is equal to what? That
Yes.
22nd player has won. Okay. So now, which option should be like correct?
If we
Third
take
and
that
fourth one.
as
Second, third, and fourth, I think.
Size and
Third and fourth.
Third and fourth.
third and size and if it is the mode of the size, size if it is the mode of the size,
Ah.
and medium. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first
Third
of all, here mode does not play any role here because it is saying that player B size is equal to the 22nd rank jersey size. Correct. So here mode is not playing any role. So now the first and second option is out. Then third option is size M jersey. If it is the median, we can say that, and size S if it is the median. Right? It is not saying how many times it is occurring. Like most frequency, we are not considering the mode thing. We are only considering the 22nd rank jersey size. So we can have size M as median, we can have size S as median as well. Okay, both of the cases are fine. So I think question 5 is also clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, so we have players A and B have identified their preferred jersey sizes based on the information of data from question 4 and 5, and their preferences have been added to the existing data set. What can be said about the mode of the new data set?
Mode does not change.
Okay, why?
because the repetitives are one and the same, even if it is A or B, the set, the number of jerseys existing there, that will be the more repeated is the same. The mode will be one and the same.
So if we see here, the for player A, it is choosing the mode size only, right? And we know that in this condition, the question it is saying that it is only unimodal. So only one mode is there,
Yes, ma'am.
correct? So that's why mode will not change here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the second is the mode is not necessarily equal to the jersey size. This option is wrong because player A is choosing only the mode thing. Then third option, the mode is not necessarily equal to the size of the player B. It's true, correct? It cannot be determined whether the mode has changed or not. So option A and C are correct. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I guess this
Ma'am.
question is
Ma'am, in that question, since they have mentioned that it is not necessarily, so if at all, if there is a chance that the player of the jersey B is equal to the mode, it will be equal only when the mode and median are same, right?
same, correct.
Okay.
That's all. Then player A and B have identified their preferred jersey sizes based on the information. This is what can we say about the median of the new data set. Okay. Now, what can we, the median does not change. Can we say that?
Yes.
The median. Okay. Now, the median does not change. If
And it will not change because we selected the same number as median.
Median does not change.
yeah, correct. Okay, fine. Then median is not necessarily equal to the jersey size of player A.
It's incorrect.
Incorrect. Why? Because in our first case, the size of that player A jersey, we have taken it as the median. So median is necessarily equal to the jersey size of player.
Correct. Then the third option.
Median is not necessarily. Yeah, this
Third one is
is
correct.
correct. Third one is correct.
Yes. Why is it correct?
But because it's already
Because
existed with the A, the median
Correct.
is not necessarily equal to the jersey size of the player B. Why? Because already A is in that median range.
A was
Then
mod and B was median, right?
median. Correct. Then 4, it cannot be determined whether the median has changed or not. So option,
incorrect.
this is also incorrect. So option A and C, correct? We can see.
Ma'am,
Median
can you
is not-
explain why doesn't the median change with different cases?
Just a second. The median does not change. The median is not necessary.
And second is incorrect because A has the mod number, right? And
Yes,
B
I
is
thought the same
median.
thing. Yes, A and C is correct.
The median is not necessarily. Okay. Okay, got it. So the main thing is okay. So A is choosing what? The most frequent size, right? He is choosing that. So A can have like A can have like he can choose the mode as well, right? So we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
have a condition in which the mode is not equal to the median, or we can have a condition in which the mode is equal to the is not equal to or is equal to the median. Correct? We have two kind of situation, right? So it is not necessary that my median will be equal to the jersey size of A. We can have a situation like that. What is player A? Player A is choosing the mod size, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the statement, it is stating that the median is not necessarily equal. So it is clearly stating that my mod is not equal to the median. Correct? We can have a situation.
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes, ma'am.
statement is correct. Now, here the third statement, it is stating that the median is not necessarily equal to the jersey size. Player B is already choosing the median. So if my median is not equal to the player B, then how player B is choosing the median thing, correct? Because what is
Yes,
player
ma'am.
B is choosing? Player B is choosing the 22nd rank, which is the the
Median.
median, correct?
Median.
So if he is not choosing the median, then the statement is wrong, correct? So that's why option A and B are correct. Okay, now it's clear. Fine.
Ma'am, why option A is correct?
The median does not change. Okay, so what is A choosing? A is choosing
Mode.
the mode. Okay, and B is choosing the median, which is the 22nd.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One
So
is added before the median and one is added after the median. And the situation is like that.
No, here in our random choosing, like we have considered it as S as our repeated size, and S we have taken as the maximum number of size of jerseys. So S falls under the first case of mode, and as well as that is the median. It has happened.
correct.
So that is the reason why in these two cases, the median does not change, and as well as the mode is also the same. That is the player has chosen that jersey.
Correct. Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
please
so
repeat it again?
Yes, ma'am.
okay, the median does not change in the sense that so A player is choosing the mode thing. Like let's suppose that so let's suppose my S, he is choosing S. So S can be a median and he can be a mode, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
In
Yeah.
our case, it is happened actually.
It has happened. Now, similarly for B, he can choose as M and as M, correct? As a median, we can have that, right?
Come again, madam.
The player B is choosing what sizes? He can choose either S or either medium, right? Okay. So what is median? Median is basically the middle part,
Middle.
the middle value, which is dividing the data into two parts. So if my player is choosing the 22nd value, okay, which is coming out to be, let's suppose, just a second. Okay, so the thing is, my A player is choosing the median as well. Okay, and my B is also choosing the median as well. Correct? It's a
Yes.
situation, right? From 4 and like, if you see here, my player A is also choosing the median and B is also choosing the median, right? So if we sum both of that, so my median is not changing, right? For the whole data,
Yeah,
is it
median is
changing?
not changing.
It's not changing, right? So that's why here the median is not changing. Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about the other cases? Like we have four different cases, right? Like S, like if both A and B are choosing median, then the median will not change. But what about if one chooses mode and other chooses median? When two different things, S is mode and M is median in that case.
So we have 43 jerseys. That is fixed, right? So the 22nd jersey is also fixed, which is median. That
No,
means median is also fixed.
What Swistika is asking is, as we have chosen yes as our repeated one, we are considering it as median. If it is not that case, if it is M and XL, other sizes are also playing a vital role in the number of jerseys, then in that case, what we have to choose? That is her question.
No. I was not asking about Excel. I was asking that if we consider S to be both mode and median, both A and B are choosing the same. In that case, okay, median will not change. But if S, say suppose S is mode and M is median, in that case, how it will not change is what I didn't get.
Just a second.
Doesn't matter the situation. It is not going to change if we apply all of any of our situations.
Just
Choosing the jersey doesn't change the number. The number is 43. That is fixed. We are given 43 jerseys. And B is randomly choosing one of them.
okay.
43 is
So
fixed.
one thing is, in total, how many players are there? 45, correct?
45.
45 are correct. So basically, we need to find out this 40 median of these 45 players. So when we had the 43 players, what was my median?
22.
22, right? And B was choosing the 22nd, like the 22nd rank, which is the median player, correct? So now now if I'm having 45 players, that means my median is 23rd,
23.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Now the size of the B, right? The size, it can come like whatever the size is, the size will be M, right? If it's, let's suppose if it is M, if it's like SSS, then M, then M, then M, like that. Then we have large, then we have XL, correct? Let's suppose this is my 23rd place,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So if I say that my B is choosing M size, okay, my B is choosing M size. M means that this is the median. So let's suppose this 22nd value, my 22nd value is M, right? So, like if my, so this value, like whatever the value B is choosing, it will come like before my 23rd only. Like if we arrange them in increasing order, we are saying it that all the values are arranged in increasing order. Then we can say that my value, the size that B is choosing, it will come before the 23rd, or like we can say that.
Yes, ma'am. So you're saying that like the whatever was there at the 22nd position, that would come right next to the
23rd
23rd
position.
position.
Yes.
So the median will not change, even if mean and I mean even if mode and median are different, even though it is different, it will not change.
Correct.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So this question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So that was it. Anything else?
Ma'am, in the same practice assignment, there was another question, like 22nd one. They asked to calculate cumulative frequency. How to calculate cumulative frequency? Can you explain that?
Cumulative, you have to add all of the frequencies, huh? That is cumulative.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. But they gave the same value for two different categories. That I didn't get how it is same.
Which question? 20 seconds. X, Y, Z are observation and the sum of the frequencies is 50. Relative frequencies corresponding to X and Z are 30%, 40%. On the basis of the given information. So first of all, you need to find out the value of X. That is the frequencies of X. Okay, you have been given the relative frequency of X, and you have been given the relative frequencies of Z, and you have the sum of their frequencies.
Okay, okay, ma'am. But for the X and Z, like they're at the extreme ends, right? So how
You
can they
have
have?
to,
Okay.
yeah, you have to solve it, right? So first of all, we have been given that X plus Y plus Z is equal to 50, and relative frequency of X is what is it? 0.3, and relative frequency of Z is 0.4, right? And relative frequency is frequency divided by the total frequency, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we know that the sum of relative frequency is 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can say that my value of okay. So main thing is I have the sum of the frequencies. I have the relative frequency. Can I calculate the frequency of X?
Yes, ma'am. I got the frequency
Yes,
of
ma'am.
X to be 15, Y to be
Uh,
15, and Z to be 20.
okay. Then what's the question? What is the cumulative frequency of X and Z?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to add it, right? 20 plus 15, which will be equal to 35.
Okay, they're asking together. I got confused, ma'am. It's my bad. I thought they're asking in division and they've given the same answer. It's my bad.
They're asking cumulative. Cumulative means both of them, addition. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, ma'am. There is a 10th question on the 2.2 assignment, practice assignment.
10
So
questions.
we are, yes, ma'am. We are given the first language speaker versus language. That is the graph.
Okay.
So we have to find the median of the data set.
Hmm.
So we are given a Pareto chart. There is Hindi, Bengali, and so on.
Okay.
So if we are taking the Pareto chart,
Hmm.
so we are given the order, right?
No, how can you say that? We are just ordering the frequency. We're not ordering the categories, right?
Okay, ma'am. That was the only thing I got.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Anything else? Have you guys started with the activity and the practice assignment questions? I'm asking about others who have not started.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The assignment already completed.
Activity questions are completed.
Yes, ma'am. Activity questions as well as the graded assignment.
Oh, nice. That's good. Okay then. So, okay, if nobody is having any other doubts, shall we end the meet then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow we have a doubt
Ma'am,
session. Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the last session, I had asked two doubts regarding the week one FAQ and week two practice assignment 10 question, which was from video, I think. I shared the link also. So can I resend?
Yeah. So basically that question I was just going through it. So they are saying that I'll just okay, I'll just tell you the question basically. They are they are saying that we have two figures, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have two figures in which one figure is depicting the income for 2012 for year 2012.
2012, yes. Yes.
And the second figure is basically the cumulative of both 2012 and 2013, correct?
13, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So basically, what is an area principle? Area principle is what? Like it should be proportional to the data that it consider, correct?
Yes.
Right? So if I say here my 2012 is having some radius, okay, and then my second figure is basically adding both of the years. So now my that to obey the area principle, they have made the radius twice as the first figure. Why? So that the area is coming out to be equal to the
Ma'am, this part only I have not understood because if we take two circle and we divide this circle into three parts, suppose. So each part will be 33.33% around. This is example. This is not from the sum. And if the radius is different, then how the percentage will change? Relative frequency percentage will not change, na? Both circles will have 33.33% only.
we are not
So
talking
how?
about no. We are not talking about the relative frequency. We are actually talking about like the area is representing the amount of income of that year, right? So if I say, so if in 2012, if I'm having something, and in the next figure they are showing the income of both the years, so it will be double, right? means
Yes.
double or 4 times or 6.
Because they have made radius twice, so area will be 4 times.
So that is what they are saying that. So if my radius is 4 times, that means my area is like 4 pi r square, right?
Yes.
So that means it is 4 times of the area of first figure, correct?
Yes.
Right? So that means they are saying that the income of the we can say that the income of the 2012 sorry the income in the second figure, it is showing that 4 times the income are in 2012, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that is why they are saying that the radius is twice than that of the
Okay,
first.
so in this case, radius matters. If in exam they will ask about radius, then we have to consider the radius also. I mean, sorry, we have to consider the area also.
Area.
Okay. And ma'am, in week one, there is FAQ. They have shared one PDF on the dashboard. So in that second point, they have mentioned for conversion of interval scale into ratio scale by subtraction. So I did not get that point.
I have made this thing clear in the previous session. Have you attended that? Yadav? Snehal, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have already cleared this out in the previous session. Were you there?
I think I missed it. Okay, in the last solve with us session over for week one.
So in the solve with us or in the doubt session, I have in the doubt session I have cleared this out.
Okay, ma'am, I'll check those lectures then.
Sure. Okay. Anything else? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So tomorrow we are having the doubt session. Just come with your doubts and all. Then week 2 will be over. So till now, week 2 is clear to everyone, I hope, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So shall we end the meet then?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Have
Bye,
a
ma'am.
nice day. Bye.
Good evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.